how to make a tile cleaner with just 3 simple and easy ingredients or raw materials. Your tile cleaner is ready. Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Ego the Messy Soaper. I am ecstatic to have you here. Now let's just run down the ingredients we would be using, or the raw materials we'll be using in this production. Just 3. We have water, we have sulfonic acid, and we have the almighty HCl, the hydrochloric acid. Please, when you are handling this acid, you have to be careful, because just a tiny bit of drop can cause havoc to your skin. So please, that's why I have a more sturdy hand glove to handle this acid when I'm ready to deal with it. Okay, so tile cleaner is used in every home, or in most homes, all right, in schools, churches, hospitals. So this is an easy recipe you can make from the comfort of your home and package it and sell. Wherever you see a dirty tile or floor, then you have a business. Let's get into this video. Now I will be pouring in my sulfonic acid into the water. And I'll be stirring this for 10 to 15 minutes, making sure I clean out my cup properly so that my measurements are precise. Now I'm not going to do what I did last week, using a stick blender to blend my mixture. So I'll go ahead and stir this for the next 10 minutes until it is totally dissolved. So make sure that when you've mixed this, it is very clear, like you don't have any seedlings or lumps in your production. As you can see here, it's very clear. It's very clear. This time, no funny games, no stick blender, no funny texture. I was patient enough to mix and stir this by hand. I learned the hard way last week, so I was patient enough to mix this for about 10 to 15 minutes to allow everything melt off. Now we are going to put in our hydrochloric acid. I'm going to wear my gloves. Now I'm making sure to put a cloth under this, because the acid is so strong it can start spoiling my tabletop. Hope you can see this. Let me shift this aside. Let's start with the old stock. You can see the fumes. Goodness gracious. Okay, in an airy environment, and please make sure your chemicals are not where kids are. So we'll be pouring this gradually, and we'll be mixing this in. And you want to do this in an airy environment. This is so But trust me, your tile will tell you thank you. Trust me, this is so good. This is so good, your tile will thank you for it. Try out this recipe and let me know what you think. So I'll just pour out some so that I can reach the bottom of my jar. But before then, I need to clean my table because this can leave some ugly marks on your table and I do not want that happening. So I took out some so I can get to the bottom of my jar properly. If you have a bigger spoon, a bigger wooden spoon, yes, please, by all means, use it. I do not have, the one I have is for like serious business. It will be simply too big to get into this jar. So, I think I've stirred it properly at the base, so I'll just add this back. We will be adding, that is left, is optional. Fragrance is optional. I don't think there is any need for fragrance because after using your tile cleaner, on the floor, you would still go in to mop again. So, I mean, if you want to add that, by all means, please add it. Now, I don't work with these gloves because they are not as comfortable at all. They are not comfortable, so I really don't like to use them. They don't make me feel, oosh, this is too much. I have lost a lot of production because of gloves. Gloves like this, because they make me feel like I've gotten a grip of the bowls or the buckets, but no, it's a lie. I didn't get a good grip and I lose everything. So I don't like using them except for heavy duty production, like where you have to mess around with chemicals like hydrochloric acid. So I'll simply wear this back and I'll nicely pour this in. So I usually would try to make sure I have a grip. I just might like this color. I don't want to make it deeper than this though. Oh, I love this color. I just might. Oh no, I think I'm going for this color. I think this is it. Love it. Less is more, guys. Less is more. So I'll just mix it to make sure. And just put a bit, just a wee bit. Yes. Yes. I love it. I love it. I love it. So guys, this production has come to an end, and what you'll do is to let this rest for the next 6 hours. So I'll nicely pour this for you to see, guys. We are done with this production. We will just let this rest for the next 5 to 6 hours, and you can bottle this up for use. Okay, so we'll just let it rest. Let me see if this can come in here. Okay, yes. So I'll just cover this and leave it to rest, and I'll come back 6 hours later and have this bottled up. Hi guys, so it's well over 6 hours because I did this shoot by sunset the previous day, so I had to leave this to sit overnight. So it is well over 6 hours, and I'm loving this towel cleaner because it's looking very stable and it's looking so beautiful. No funny textures here. So please guys, when you get to your suppliers, ensure to ask for the concentrated HCl, the hydrochloric acid concentrate. Okay guys, please do not buy the one that has been watered down. So you can get a very potent and active tile cleaner that works. So guys, I'll just go ahead and bottle up this tile cleaner because I can't wait to use it. I'd like to hear from you guys. Please try out this recipe. I'll be dropping this recipe here now. Try it out and let me know what you think about it. Okay, please guys, subscribe to this channel, like, share our content. Okay, comment below, ask your questions, and let us know the kind of content you would like to see on this channel. All right, as you know, I wish you happy soaping until I come your way next week. Bye.